Hello, welcome to PYTHA Basic Training. In this video, we'll be covering on how to use Boolean functions. Okay, so the Boolean function is represented in this trace icon on the right hand side. Just click it. Okay, so in Boolean, most of the time we'll be using um, difference copy, and template. Okay, this will be the three functions that we'll be covering today. So first of all, let me just draw some block. Okay, so difference is a function whereby we uses two solid. Okay, we uses two solid that intersect with each other to create holes. All right, so you can see right now I have two blocks here. You can say move both blocks downwards. All right, okay, next thing I just click on difference. Okay, so after you click on difference, you notice that PYTHA at the bottom left at the command line say part to remain. I would say this top panel to remain, and to subtract parts. Okay, I can say click on this block, and I say I want you to use a small block to make a hole and subtract from the big block, and I press enter. So straight away you can see that a hole has been created here. So this is difference for you. And next we will use the function difference copy. Alright, difference copy, same thing. PYTHA asks pick the part to remain. I click on the big top panel. Subtract parts, I'll use this block and I press enter. So as of now you do not see anything that has happened, but when I move my block upwards, you can see a hole has been created here. So this is the difference, okay, between the difference and difference copy over here. Alright, so we have covered this difference and difference copy. Next we talk about template. Alright, so template is where we use a face to create holes in the cabinet. So for example, I can go to main, I go to faces, I say I want to draw a circle. So I just come to the block and click and drag. Alright, I draw a circle over here. So this will be my face that I'll be using as a template. Okay, so next I come to here, I say template. Okay, and notice PYTHA first thing asks what are the parts that I want to use. Remaining parts. So I can click on this panel, I can click on this panel, and I can click on this panel, and I press enter. Next, PYTHA asks me to say which face should I use as a template. So I can click here. Okay, remember to click on the edges of the circle. And next thing PYTHA will ask me over here, keep inside or outside. This is where I'll just do a little bit of explanation. Okay, so say for example here. Okay, looking at here, you say there is two things. One is keep inside. Okay, if you use keep inside, basically PYTHA will, after you have applied the command, only this, okay, anything inside the circle, the selected face, will remain. Okay, so this is, you only get a circle left. Alright, so if you were to say keep outside, which is what we want, okay, the remaining block will remain. Okay, the area in blue will stay. So for us, we want to keep outside. So I say 1 and I press enter. So straight away you can see that now PYTHA create a circle, a punch through hole on the panel that I have selected. Okay, so this is how we use template. Alright, this is the 3 commands on Boolean, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.